So what are the differences between all the fillers that are out there? Well, first, fillers are injectable products that fill in lines, wrinkles, and volume loss. They are for the most part composed of hyaluronic acid, which is a normal connective tissue component of all of our soft tissue. And as we age, not only does the skin grow and descend, but we also lose volume in the form of fat, muscle, and connective tissue. Now this is a big topic, so I'll try to summarize the best that I can. There are three large manufacturers of fillers: Allergan, which makes Juvederm and Botox; Galderma, which makes Restylane and Dysport; and Merz, which makes Belotero and Zomin. Now a great way to think about these products is to think about Coke and Pepsi. They both make similar products, and each brand will have a subtype of product that slightly differs. Like Coke has Diet Coke, Coke Zero, regular Coke, etc. And that's where it starts to get confusing, because Juvederm has Juvederm XC, Juvederm Ultra XC, and Voluma, while Restylane has Restylane Silk, Restylane Lift, and plain Restylane. Now most physicians will use all three, but they have a preference based on their experiences. And all three brands have fierce marketing campaigns claiming that they each last the longest and have the most natural results. So the best way to figure out which filler is best for you is to discuss this with your physician about which area you want to treat. Now experienced injectors won't only use one filler for all the areas, they'll mix and match depending on the consistency of the product and their own experience. So for under the eye and the lips, Restylane Silk and Juvederm Ultra XC and Belotero are appropriate because they are the thinnest preparations of hyaluronic acid, and that allows for minimal irregularities to show under these areas, which already have very thin skin. For the nasolabial fold, plain Juvederm or Restylane are appropriate. And finally, for overall volume loss of the cheeks, Juvederm Voluma or Restylane Lift are used for deeper injections, and they last the longest, up to 2 years. So prices vary depending on which area of the face is injected, which product is used, and which region of the country you're in, as well as how much of the product is used. And most importantly, which brand to use will depend on your preferences and the physician's preferences. Now, I would trust an experienced injector's opinion about what works best in their hands, because in truth, all these products work very similarly. So if an injector feels more comfortable with one, then that might be the best route to take. So I hope this helps answer some of your questions about fillers, but if you have any other questions, email us directly at info@drandavia.com or visit our website at drandavia.com.